It's me, Wizard Bird. Today we're gonna be playing.
It's me, Wizard Chuck.
Wizard Chuck.
Wizard, not laser.
Wizard.
Yeah, wizard. I'm gonna be Wizard Chuck for this.
Oh yeah, you are gonna be for Halloween.
Right.
Yeah.
Halloween's in like 2 weeks.
Yeah. Are you gonna be Wizard Chuck for Halloween? Like Wizard?
Yeah.
That's nice. I'm probably gonna be a vampire with James and Bubbles. Okay, survival. Bam bam. Sheet or no sheet?
No seed.
Okay. Cord. And I'm only doing this for the keep inventory. And boom. Hopefully Bubbles can get on this world one day. Oh, and
is this gonna be like our video world? Or we do?
So my Bubbles, we created a world that's like so good. It's like amazing. We've already gotten so much stuff in it. And
can I please have like the pickaxe?
Oh yeah, here's the pickaxe. I dropped it. This one did have a pickaxe. To my surprise.
Oh, we spawned in the normal spawn.
Coastal?
Oh, I see a village.
No way.
Oh no, but it's abandoned.
Where are you?
Oh, I see 2 villages.
Where are you?
Come at me. Come up here. Behind you.
Oh, okay.
There's a desert village that way. It's abandoned, and then there's a coastal village that way.
Is it abandoned?
No, I don't think so.
Wait, where is it?
I'm going to the coastal village.
Yeah, let's go to the coastal. Let's see if it's
we'll
abandoned.
raid the
Yeah, we'll raid the
It's gonna be harder though. Hey, you should really change your name, bro.
Mine's Laser to Great.
No, not yours.
Wait, Space Boo?
Yeah, Space Boo should change his name. You can talk, you know that, right? Just because you're not screen recording doesn't mean that you can't talk.
It's not abandoned. Wait, it has a big one.
Oh, a big house. Sweet.
I called dibs on one of the chests in there.
Oh, dude, it's the epic library.
Yeah, I know, that's what I just said. I said a big library. It doesn't have anything, I forgot.
Oh, remember that...
A rare house.
Yeah, but it was a desert village. And this is a no-seeder.
Yeah, boy. Come on, I'm trying to check him. Alright, I'll kill the iron golem.
And then can I have the iron?
Oh! I didn't mean to hit him!
Can I have the iron after?
1, 2, 3. There. Come at me. Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Wait, if there's 5, I'm keeping the 2 and you make yourself a pickaxe. You can't touch it. Can't touch this. No, here. You start raiding.
There's no chests. It's a terrible village.
There's not?
Well, 3 of the houses are like.
There's 4. That means I get to keep 1. Yeah.
There's only 1 house that would be possible to have I have a yellow bed.
That's nice.
That would be possible to have a chest, but it didn't.
So. Okay, well. Boom.
Can I have my 3?
Just come. I'm just getting a bunch of food. Yeah, I'm food guy. Get back out.
I was just breaking it for you. I didn't actually get anything. Dude, there's a Garfield.
Where's your Garfield?
Oh, there's a lava pool.
Yeah, that means we can go to the Nether in a couple of minutes.
We don't need an iron pick.
Yeah.
What?
We don't. Yeah.
We can make a bucket and then we can literally go to the Nether right now.
Yeah, if you wanted to.
Which I want to.
Yeah, boy.
Because we can get a brewing stand and wizards and that go good.
Yeah.
Wizards and potions.
I'm amazing at potions. There's like nothing in here.
This village was like so bad.
I know.
The best thing here? Oh, dude, take all the bookshelves.
That's a good idea.
And we'll take I only saw 1 normal village.
Wait, I already took the bookshelves. That was all 24 books.
Okay.
What are lecterns for?
Making, well, you can put books on them.
What are they? A brown Bartholomew, bro.
Brown Bartholomew?
He's.
I hit him on accident.
I will use my wizardry potion.
Yeah.
Huzzah! Oh wait, I forgot. It is in game. I can't do wizard stuff.
Either way.
Huzzah!
Book it.
Hey, he wants to fight. It's right near spawn, so it doesn't. You're hitting me with an iron fist, bro. Where'd you get that?
Iron.
No, I'm on half a heart.
I'm at 1 heart. Please, let's not hit each other anymore.
Okay, I'm not regenning.
I'm regenerating. Ah! Ah! Leave me alone.
Hey guys, guess what I see?
Oh, sorry.
What the heck?
Guess what I see, guys?
What? I love a pool.
Wait, can you make the nether?
Yeah, I have a bucket.
Can you do that?
Yeah, let me just get some water. Wait, show me where that lava pool is.
It's on the other side of the village.
Well, show me the way.
Hold on. It's over here.
And I have 1 iron to spare, so we can make a flint and steel.
Dude!
Wait, actually, we don't need a flint and steel. We can just get the wood, put it in the lava, which will
I
light on
think
fire.
would be much faster. And
Oh no, it takes like 5 seconds. Put wood in the lava, which will make fire, and then it will light the nether.
lava
portal.
pool's right there. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, I see. Perfecto, my friendo. Oh, it's a baby
Are
girl.
we not like friends now?
Huh?
Are we like good friends now?
What do you mean? I don't get what you're saying.
Never mind.
Okay.
Hey, Space Blue?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, you know what? Never mind.
No!
Did you almost fall in the lava?
No, but I almost got rid of all the lava.
Jeez, that would not have been good.
Yeah, you can say that again. Ding, ding,
There's not a lot of lava left.
Oh, there, I can just break the block with, I can just make it an iron. Well, I mean, you know what I mean.
I need food, bro.
Oh no. What am I gonna do? Okay, I can just break this. I made a mistake. Okay. Oh no, I didn't. Not that much, but it's gonna be enough. Way more than enough. And program. Give me this wood. Bam. I think one more block is what I need. Nope.
Oh, this desert temple was so bad.
You found a desert temple?
Yeah, that's what I was like. Dude, look at it.
Huh?
We already have a couple obsidian. How do you do this stuff?
I'll be right back.
Fire back. Get the water. Yeah, perfect.
This villager is gonna be well trained. He wouldn't have to
No.
with us.
Go.
The wood's burning.
I know. Bam. Bada bat boom. Pow. Oh! Amazing. Amazingness in a bottle. Oh no. Come on, don't burn. No.
No.
Stop it.
Did the phone turn off?
I don't know.
No, did it? Yeah, we should check left the game. What do I need to do now? Bam, bam, bam. Perfect. Okay. Bam.
Sorry guys, the phone turned off and the screen recorded.
Sure. Yeah, start recording again. Screen
Yeah,
recording.
I'm recording. Why is there a villager watching you?
I don't know, but I think he's training to be a blacksmith.
Yeah, he's gonna be one of the best.
Wait, how is he gonna be a blacksmith? I have the blast furnace.
I know, but he's training with me, watching me do lava stuff. Understand it?
Sure.
Wait, no. I did it wrong. Bam, give me that lava back, boy. Drain. Drain. Rah!
There was this really cool,
How did it? What the? Huh? You know what? I'm not even gonna question it.
teleport me.
No, in the teleporting is not allowed.
There's no possibility for me to get out of this desert temple.
My man, just break out.
How?
Huh?
It's gonna take years, bro.
It's worth it.
Can you literally just
Just kill yourself
How?
with sand. You suffocate.
No, yeah, or the TNT that's down there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I forgot about the TNT. I should get that first.
No. Almost. I made this a not humongous, but like. Okay, no. Don't want that wood to burn. No. No burning for you today. No! I'm gonna have it now. Oh,
Maybe
maybe.
please just take me just once.
No.
I can't die. I'm so weird to say.
Dang. I need that. Ooh, I can just do this. Did that work? I don't got myself a pickaxe. Owie. Owie. Are you not gonna help?
Me?
Give me a pickaxe.
That's my pickaxe. This is my pickaxe and my sword.
Give me a pickaxe
What
though.
kind of pickaxe do you have?
Wooden.
Give me a pickaxe.
Fine.
Yeah. Can't see. What in the? Oh my gosh, I need to find iron now.
Why?
Because all the lava went bye-bye.
And why do you need iron?
To break obsidian.
You can't break obsidian.
You can break it with an iron pickaxe. But you won't get it.
Well, then just break it with.
You can't. Wait, can you?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now, bro.
Oh, yeah, you can. But it's like mega slow. 5 hours later. We'll be here a while. No!
What? Did you accidentally?
I moved off the block. I can't move off. It's so much better if we had light. I mean, I have 4 torches, but I don't want to go in my inventory because I'm already breaking the black. Yay! Come on. Come on. No! I'm killing you for that. Kill him.
Did he make you, did he hit you off the block?
Come over here. Get back. Idiot!
There was a crafting table here the whole time. Never mind.
Idiot! Who? Jacob.
Yeah?
That's your nickname now.
Okay.
You know what? I hate that nickname. What about Bob?
Am I dying?
Yeah, well, your truck was slain by a spider. No! No! You idiot! Why did you fight him off?
Me?
Yeah!
I was on the crafting table. I'm making an iron pick to make it go faster. Dude.
The things I do. I'm a 5-year-old.
I had 17 iron the whole entire time.
You had 17 iron.
Yeah, I went mining.
Oh my gosh. This guy's just shooting at me! He shot me off the block!
Don't worry, I'm coming to rescue you. You know what? Never mind. Start doing your business, buckaroo. I remember that one video where me and Hal were ninjas, and I remember hearing this weird zombie say, "Right back at you, buckaroo."
Come on. I'm desperate.
Bro.
Can you tell?
Why?
Can you tell that I'm desperate?
No. Why are you desperate though? It's a real question.
You're my bodyguard. Where's your Chuck? Chuck, you're my bodyguard. You defend me. I'm almost done though. I'm like so close. It'll be faster if I just do it. Ah!
I don't really care if I die.
Get down there, buddy. Any lava?
What? There's flint down here.
Is there lava?
Did you already
Is there
Oh,
lava?
lava! I found lava.
Yay. How much of it?
I don't know.
Like a lot?
I'm gonna see actually how much there is. I only found a tiny bit,
Huh.
but there's gonna be more because I'm dead.
Gosh. It's not
Can
good.
you see me burning?
Ooh.
I'm not dead.
Bye. I'm at 2 hearts.
Why is that wood purple?
It's not purple. It's either obsidian or you're just funky.
There is purple wood down here. It's either purple or pink. In the comments below, tell me if this is purple or pink.
Ooh!
Oh no, more lava.
No! I got the lava bucket. Where do we go? Where did you say your respawn point?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Where are you then?
Look at your map.
Oh, yeah.
I'm down there.
Oh, you're alive?
Yeah.
You're
I'm
alive?
dead. No, I'm dead.
I mean, at least.
There's a lot of lava down there. Oh, there's a forest fire.
Oh yeah, I know. I started that.
Why?
Personal purposes.
Okay.